I'm going to start to take voltage at the bottom of the pack. Volt DC, you can see, yes. 39. 37. 779. This is 3.832. 3.711 was 711. I'm gonna move the battery here a bit. So 3,711, 3,800, and after that, I'm not sure with this one. I have a strange connector somewhere. Here in the middle I have another connector. So okay, put it here and here. Should. Here and here. 22, 26. Ooh, God, okay. So here, it's like the middle part. 37. So from here to the bottom, you don't see the bottom. Oh. 724, what the hell? You see here? Oh my God. So if I take here, 18, 14, okay, 11, 7. So here I have a pack of 724. 11, 18, 14, 95. We see good, I hope. 18, 22, 25. And at the end and top that we don't see, 11. No, 29. 29, and the other side was, yeah, not good. What the hell? 11, what was here? 18, 22, 26, 29. So we're close to the 30 volt, but not enough. So the middle part here is the negative of all the pack, and the bottom is the positive. All right, if I do that, yeah, the red is on the negative here. Negative, the bottom is positive. 11, 14, 18, 22, 21, and 29. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna charge back the first cell here, try to go to the 3.4, just to make some tests again, analyze a bit, get the supercharger here. The charger I have a reverse check polarity if it's wrong, and as we can see, the red is on top and the black is at the bottom, contrary at when I have connected the middle pin point or the last. It's like reverse. Just start the charge. I'll check the time too. So I came back to take some measurement, and I touched the cable, the charger stopped, so I don't know how many minutes we charged yet, and it's 4:09. I would say maybe a half an hour of charging, 45 minutes. I'm going, I think, very low still, because it's 1 amp. It's just one pack I'm doing. But the charger here, maybe we're gonna see. It's like 4 amps, 42 volts. Me, I'm charging at 12 volts, 1 amp. So there's a big difference here. So I think I'm very careful with the battery, and I don't want to overheat it or something.